With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question it is saying Python possesses which of the following? Now the Python is our, what is it? It belongs to our class reptiles. It belongs to our class reptiles under the phylum Chordates. So it belongs, what it possesses: vestigial hind limbs, prehensile tail, distinct head with very wide gap, or all of the above. What it possesses basically our vestigial hind limbs. What it possesses vestigial hind limbs. It possesses vestigial hind limbs. Now why they are vestigial? They are poorly placed, or we can say they are of no use for the pythons. Okay, they are of no use. For the pythons, hence they are vestigial in nature, and these are vestigial hind limbs are present in our python. Prehensile tail and distinct head with very wide gap is absent, so these two options are wrong. Now, this vestigial hind limbs proves that they are descended. Okay, they descended from our lizards. Okay, they descended from the lizards. So our correct option here is option number 1.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.